National policies. This description is talking about personal information that must be protected under the data law. Example, the private and inviolable personal information, full name plus address. Example, Maria Santos, 123 Purok Mabini, Quezon City. Her identity is clear and address is private. National policies say Space Act RA 11313. Example, in online spaces, sending unassociated sexual photos, cyberstalking, or making degrading sexual remarks about someone on social media are punishable under the law. National Policies E-Commerce Act of Philippines RA 8792 is applied. Example, electronic signature. If you assign contract on using an e-signature, for example, in a bank loan application or employment, agree it has the same illegal effect as a handwritten signature. Training cables, computer equipment of offense connected to lot of cables, power, network, and etc. These cables are lying on the floor. They can cause people to trip over them. The solution is place the cables inside the cable ducts or under the carpet or flooring. Split drinks of foods. The liquids are splitted on electrical equipment. It can eventually result to damage or an electric shock to the user. The solution is keep the food and drinks away from the computer. Overloaded power sockets, plugging too many power cables into sockets can result in the socket being overloaded, overheating, and fire starting. The solution is never plug too many cables into a socket. Always make sure there are fire extinguishers nearby. Heavy objects falling. Many items of computer equipment are very heavy such as CRT monitors, laser printers, among others. Heavy items can cause serious injury and falling on people. The solution is make sure equipment is placed on strong tables or shelves. Uses of ICT learning and teaching. Digital culture and digital literacy. ICT and teacher professional development. Ensuring benefits of IC investment. Resource constrained context.